In the fast-paced world of futures trading, utilizing technical analysis tools like the exponential moving average EMA can be a game changer. EMA helps traders identify trends, potential entry and exit points, and overall market sentiment. To implement an EMA-based trading strategy, traders typically look for the EMA crossover, where a shorter EMA crosses above or below a longer EMA, signaling a potential change in trend. Traders can use this crossover to enter or exit trades accordingly. Additionally, the slope of the EMA line can indicate the strength of the trend. A steep incline or decline suggests a strong trend, while a flat EMA indicates consolidation. By combining EMA with other technical indicators and risk management strategies, traders can enhance their decision-making process and potentially improve their trading performance. Now, with Webull offering futures trading, it's a great opportunity to revisit fundamental strategies like EMA and refine your approach to navigating the dynamic futures market.